Good morning, everyone. So I'm on the road today and I decided to make a couple videos for the channel. So I figured while driving, I can give some value. So in this video I'm going to be talking to you guys about where I think Bitcoin is headed. All right, so let's jump right in. So right now we are going downwards. Everyone's saying that we're in a bear market, that the bull market's over, the top is in. So what I think Bitcoin is going to do now is, obviously, as we already all know, it is retracing. I think it's going to retrace to about $70,000 and at most $60,000. So anywhere around 60 to 70,000 is the most I think Bitcoin is going to retrace. We may see that in the next week, or maybe in a couple weeks, or who knows, in a couple months. I don't think it's going to take that long. I think we'll see it just in a few weeks, and I think the bull run will continue. The reason I think we're going to drop to 70,000 or 60,000 is because Bitcoin in the past has dropped about like 80-85% after the peaks, after the bull runs, but I don't think that's going to happen this time around, just because of all the adoption going on by major institutions. There's a lot of big money into Bitcoin now, which aren't going to be selling as easy as in the past. Maybe long-term holders, whales, or retail traders. I don't think we're going to see that much drop. I think also the Bitcoin volatility will over time go down little by little as the market cap gets bigger and the price continues going up. I don't think we're going to see such huge drops. The drops I think we're going to see are 50 to 60% drops. I can't show you the charts right now because I'm driving, but if you use the Fibonacci from the top of this peak, the 50% level, which is a good correction area for buyers to buy back in, is 70,000. The 61.8, which is the golden ratio, is about 60,000. That's why I think the price is going to drop to the most 60,000 to 70,000. I don't think we're going to see those drops like in the past, which it used to drop to the 78% Fibonacci. So that's just my opinion. I've been saying this for a long time. I actually said this before this bull run even started. I made a video saying Bitcoin bear markets are over. Because and that's not that it's going to be over, because markets will always have bull markets and bear markets, but in that video I was just explaining that the bear markets wouldn't be the same anymore, or that's what I'm thinking, that the bear markets won't be the same. So that's what I'm thinking. Right now we're at about 80,000. I think it went back up to like 85 or 86 yesterday. So we're at a good place to buy, because it's not guaranteed that it's going to go down to where I'm telling you, 70 to 60,000. We may go up from here. You never know. So if you do have money on the side, it's not a bad place to jump in. If you jump in now, you can catch the ride back up to 125 and potentially 150, and then the 200s. Eventually. So yeah, great place to buy. If I had some extra cash right now, which I'm trying to get, but I don't have any right now, I would definitely be buying in. Yeah, I actually prefer to drop to where I'm telling you, 60 to 70,000, so that I can get some in a month or two at those prices. Okay, so this is my outlook for now for Bitcoin. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Also, another cool thing I want to mention is that in these bear markets, in these correction periods, the one trading is still making money, because it profits on bull markets and bear markets. Anytime the market chooses its direction, up or down, it's going to make money. So I know when you're holding assets right now, your portfolio is down because you're just holding on to them, waiting for it to go back up. But since I have my trading system, my trading system is profiting automatically on all of these market movements. So something that I'm truly blessed to be able to put into use for myself, and I can put it to use for others as well. So if you're interested in joining the One Trading, also there's going to be links down below in the description. All right, that's all for this Bitcoin video. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.